Hello, this is Joseph Lee, and this is the lesson 25 for first graders. Now, the first page is on addition and subtraction. So first, let's try out 1, 5, 10, and 14. So the first page, is asking us to solve the equation. And basically what that means is just to find the sum or the difference of whatever the expression is or equation is. So 3 plus 6 plus 9. So we can obviously just add this up as normal. 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. Adding the 9 makes the thing equal to 18. So that is our answer. Number 5 is 2 plus 9 plus 2. We can group the 2 plus 2 together to make 4. And then we add another 9 to get the sum, which gives us 13 for number 5. For number 2, 2 minus 2, whatever something minus itself is 0. So we just put 0 there. And 35 minus 22, we could do it like, arrange it like this. And give us 5 minus 2 equals 3, 3 minus 2 equals 1. So which gives us 13. And that is for the first page. Now for the second page, we have the topic on value, and it's asking us to write the numbers in correct value for this part and to write the correct value of the highlighted number for this part. So let's try out 1, 5, and 10. So first, what we have here is 5 tens and 2 ones. 5 tens is just 50, plus 2 ones, which is just 2, which gives us 52 when you add those two up. 6 tens and 0 ones. 6 tens is just 60, plus 0 ones, which is just 0. And this gives us 60. So number 10, 200s, 6, 10, and 0, 1. 200s is 200, 6 tens is 60, and 0 ones is just 0. And adding these two together, we have 260, which is our answer. Now for this part, we have to write the correct value of the highlighted number. Let's try out 1, 5, 10, and 14. Now for the first problem, we're trying to find the correct value of 8. And since it's in the ones place, the 8 is just 8. Since there's 8 ones, and 8 ones equals 8. Now for number 5, this highlighted number is the 7 in the tens place. So that means there are 7 tens, or in other words, it is 70. Now for number 10, the highlighted number is in the tens, just like last time. And this means there are 8 tens, which is just 80. And now the highlighted number for number 14 is in the ones place. So this time, we just take this at face value, and that means it is 9. That was it for page 2. Going on to page 3, we have comparing numbers. We have to write a greater than, less than, or equal sign below. So let's try out 1, 5, 10, 14 again, and let's compare numbers. So 5 and 2, which one is greater? Obviously 5, because 5 has a larger value than 2. So we write a greater than symbol right here. Now 10 plus 4 or 16 minus 3, which is greater? Or are they equal? Well, we can first off just simplify these two sides by adding this side and subtracting this side. So 10 plus 4 is 14 on the left side, and 16 minus 3 is 13 on the right side. So we can clearly see that 14 is the bigger one, so we write a greater than symbol, because 14 is greater than 13. Now for number 10, 19 is greater than 9, so we put a greater than symbol. And finally, 14, 4 minus 4, against 4 plus 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, and 4 plus 4 is 8. So we can clearly see that 8 is the greater number, so we put a less than sign because 0 is less than 8. And that was it for page 3. On to the last page, we have some word problems. And let's do 1, 3, 5, and 7. So the first question asks, how many boxes of cookies did Cindy sell? Now, we can use this table that they've given us and see that if we go down to Cindy's name and count and look at the number of boxes she sold, it tells us that she sold 4 boxes. So 4 boxes of cookies Cindy sold. Now for question 3, who sold the most? We can just compare these numbers, and it seems that 8 is the largest number of the 4, and we can look to the left of it and we see K's name, so we put down K because the person sold the most boxes of cookies. Now for number 5, how many boxes did Jasmine and Cindy sell in all? So we just add up how many boxes they sold in all. So Cindy and Jasmine. So Cindy sold 4 boxes, so 4 plus Jasmine's boxes sold, which is 6, giving us 10, because 4 plus 6 is 10. So our final answer is 10 boxes of cookies in all. And finally, we have the last question, how many boxes of cookies did they sell in total? We just add up all of these 4, so 8 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 4 plus 6, which is also 10, giving us a nice answer. 20 boxes of cookies sold in all, so that is our final answer. And that is it for lesson 25. Thank you for listening.